Number 9. Yosemite Falls. Located in the national park of the same name, Yosemite Falls in California is undoubtedly one of the most famous and photographed waterfalls in the world. Made up of the upper and lower falls with the middle cascades between, the waterfall drops a colossal 739 meters down the side of Yosemite Valley. This makes it the tallest waterfall in the whole of the United States. While its spellbinding beauty can be enjoyed from many different parts of the park, it is worth hiking to the top for incomparable views out over the valley and the Sierra Nevada mountains beyond.